Well, everyone, welcome back to the garage. As you can see, we're out on this beautiful Saturday playing with our toys. Just want to thank all you subscribers out there. We actually hit 100 subscribers just the other day, which is totally amazing. And I want to thank each and every one of you for that. I think we're going to do some work on these two four-wheelers that I got on Facebook Marketplace. One of my earlier episodes showed us, picking them up. Everybody's having fun. We picked them up. We actually customized them a little bit. We painted them, changed the oil. They're having some carb issues on the two four-wheelers, so I ordered some new carbs. We're going to probably put them on today. Maybe make a video of us putting new carbs on. But once again, thank you guys. Please like, please subscribe, please share to your buddies. If you like what we're doing, that's great. Once again, thank you all you subscribers out there for making our channel what it is. We have a lot more coming up, actually. We have a new section coming up on our channel. It's going to be a surprise. Like, not a new section, but like a new series. I'll get more than that later. We're going to do a whole special episode on the new series that we're going to start. So once I get to that episode, you'll know what I'm talking about. But anyhow, without further ado, we're going to get these carbs on, make a video, get it out to you guys, watch what we're doing. Thanks again. Sit back, relax while you're quarantined. Let me move out of the way so I don't get killed. And enjoy the video. I'm thinking what you're thinking. I feel the need for speed. Alright, like I said, we got these new carbs for these four-wheelers. You see right there. So, we're going to start taking the old ones off. Ashton and Austin are going to be doing the work. I'm not going to be doing the work. I'm going to be showing you guys how they're doing it. So, like two 10 millimeter bolts, fuel line, pull the slide off. I think the old slide should fit into the new carburetor. So, you'll have to take the slide off, I hope. Well, we'll figure it out. So, keep going. I think the first thing we're going to do is probably take off the fuel line. Camera in there. Yep, two 10 millimeter bolts. We'll get that taken off, then we'll unscrew the slide. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It slides up in there. The slides kind of look different, actually. They might be the same, I'm not sure. We'll figure that point out. There's one side out. Give your brother a hand over there. thing we'll do is get this carburetor out of the way. That's tightening, Ashton, buddy. All right, well, we won't bore you with this part. When we get these out, get to the next step, we'll show you that.
A few moments later.
All right, so now we got the carb out. What we're gonna do now is take this slide out and see if it fits in the other carb. This way we don't have to worry about taking the freaking throttle line off and putting it in the new carb, because these are all the same, basically. I mean, they're all the same. I don't think anything's going to change. So, what Austin's going to do, since I'm filming, he's going to grab the slide here and see if it fits in the other carb, which it should. And it looks pretty good. The needle doesn't look too bad. Grab it out of your way. That slide rides on that little groove in there. See that little groove? All right, let me see what's going on here, and we'll get back to you. All right, so the slides are different actually. I thought the slides were going to be the same. But basically what you got to do, pull this spring back and take the throttle cable off, just like that. Make sure your spring doesn't fly out and hit you. Take that off. Take that off. It should pull out of this boot. You gotta kind of pull the boot back a little bit. Get it off. Alright, there's the old boot, there's the throttle cable, old spring, old slide. We're going to save all these parts because I might rebuild this carb and use it in one of my 212 projects. So, move that out of the way. I need a new slide. So, same thing, reassembly, grab that, feed your throttle cable through, should come out, hopefully. It's going to give me a hard time. That's around that little 90 in there. Came out. Same thing as reverse. Put your spring on, get your slide on. I mean, you see how I took it off. It's the same way as putting it back on. Real simple and easy. It'd be a pain in the butt, so we'll spare you guys not watching this. All right, everyone, got the slide back on. As you can see, the boot back on. Spin it around just like that, and we're gonna watch the two little boys put it back on. So, the two 10mm bolts. Let me get the camera on this side. We gotta put that little black plastic thing in between first. Don't forget about that. Alright guys, got it all buttoned up. Two bolts are on, fuel line's on, air filter's on, slide cap is good. So now is the test. Ashley's going to get on here and ride it around and see what it does. I'll give it, puts a little bit of choke on her. Alright. Well, there he goes. We'll wait for him to come back around, see how it is. On this one here, it's the same story on this one. This carburetor is pretty shot. Basically, it's the same process, so we're not going to bore you guys with going through this process. We're just going to change it out, see how this one runs. But let's see how... Alright, does it run better?
Runs way better.
Alright, awesome. There you go. Is it idling real good? Yeah, I might need to change the idle a little bit, but it's idling pretty good. Next thing we're going to do on this bike actually is the rear brake's not working, so we're going to put some fluid in that reservoir. Actually, we'll do that next. We'll show you guys how we're going to do that. Alright, everyone. Well, come to find out, we're going to need a new brake master cylinder. This one here keeps leaking past every time we prime it up. It's leaking past the O-ring. So, we have to find one of those and get one of those on. Maybe another episode we'll be putting that brake master cylinder on. So, let's go check in on Austin. He is doing the other carburetor on this four-wheeler. He's having a hard time getting the spring on and getting that little piece through with the throttle cable and getting it on the slide. If any of you guys know what I'm talking about, and when you do this operation, you know it can be a pain in the butt to get these slides on. So, yeah, you gotta hold this, spring, you gotta push the throttle cable piece through, and you gotta hook it onto the slide, let the spring go, and yeah, I'll give him a hand, and we'll see how this one runs. All right, guys. Well, we got the new carb on, as you can tell. Austin got it all on, bolted up, got the fuel line on, got the air filter on, and we're going to give it a test fire, and he's going to ride it around and see if it's any better than the old carb that we took off. Fire it up and see how it goes. All right. All right, everyone, that concludes our episode for today. I hope you liked it. We'll be out here in the sun a little bit. Please like, please subscribe. Please check us out on Facebook. I'll put the link in the description, which is Here's Hoping at Facebook. We'll put that link in the description. Let me get out of the sun. And we're going to continue our day. We got a campfire going. We're going to make some cheeseburgers. We're going to have a good old time rest of the evening. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.